Welcome to the Friends Variety Show, the show starring you, our friends. I'm your host, Connor Harrington. To kick off our show, we have a man who needs no introduction, but I'm going to give him one anyways. It's Jesse, in a segment we call VHS Reviews.
Hello everyone. Today, I recount the greatest drink of all time, Orange High C, or High C Orange, however you want to phrase it. This nectar of goodness you could get at McDonald's, and every kid from the 90s to the early 2000s would do that. Even well into adulthood, I would get High C Orange. The flavor would just hit your lips like the kiss of an angel. And as you ingested that High C Orange, you knew that it was going to be an okay day. You would get the large because High C Orange still, at its largest form, did not have as much sugar as a Coke. So you could justify that to yourself. You would get the large. Alas, it was discontinued and replaced with Powerade. Because that's what I want with my chicken nuggets. I want Powerade. Ooh, I'm gonna hit the treadmill and then go to McDonald's and refresh with the Powerade. Yeah! But this cloud stormy story has a silver lining. Some of those Coke machines that let you choose all the different flavors and then you stand there for an hour and a half trying to decide if you want grape or cherry do have High C options, and Orange High C Orange is available, and you can be reunited with just the pure bliss of the High C Orange. Also, a few restaurants still serve it. A couple local restaurants might still have it, and on rare occasion you might find a juice box that contains that beautiful flavor. It was truly the best of the High C. You didn't want the pink lemonade. You didn't want the tropical punch. You wanted the orange. We all wanted the orange. So today, we are starting something very special. Hashtag bring back High C Orange. Let's get this trending. Let's bring back the drink that we all deserve. We brought back Crystal Pepsi. We brought back Ecto Cooler. Let's bring back High C Orange. This is for me. I don't know if you drink it or not. This is for me. High C Orange. I'm gonna go start this hashtag and a website and a documentary series. I'll see you all very soon. There is work to be done.
Thank you, Jesse. For the next part of our show, we have a segment we like to call Young Writers. Enjoy.
Hello, my name is Morgan Williams, and I will tell you the tale of the 4 kids who saved the world. First, there was Evander the Great. Next was Swindu the Third. Next came the hero of yesterday's tomorrow.
Wait, doesn't that make you the hero of today?
Don't question my infinite wisdom.
Finally was the Robot Queen. Together, these 4 heroes saved the world as we know it. It was just an ordinary day, when suddenly they heard a loud noise. They all dashed out to investigate the scene. They were shocked to find the evil Dr. Diaper Baby. She was laughing loudly and stealing bananas from innocent people.
Oh, my banana!
Behind her was her evil henchman, Pregopuff.
Success! I have stolen all the bananas in the backyard. Super cool action place. Who can stop me now?
Not so fast, Dr. Diaper Baby.
Well, you are a baby, so you can't really run quickly anyway.
You fools! I bet you didn't account for this!
Well, I bet you weren't am no grenade. I made it myself. You and your baby butt are coming with me.
You may have won this round, but I will be back.
And so, the four heroes successfully saved the world from getting their bananas stolen. They decided to call themselves the League of Sardines. Super awesome rad dudes in neat elastic super suits. Meanwhile, Puff was forgotten about.
Don't worry, Dr. Diaper Baby. I will destroy those kids.
That is all the time we have left in today's episode. If you enjoyed the show, please hit the like button, share it with all of your friends, and hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Well, until next time, see you later, friends.
Action! My hair is like suffocating me. Don't make me smile. Hold on. Hold on a second. Let me regain my power. I bet you weren't prepared for this.
Action.
I
go and clap. Perfect.
It is my stuffed ammo grenade. I made it myself. Don't question my infinite wisdom. Forget what it was. I'm sorry. That was good. Why did I pick this one? Why couldn't I be the smiley giggly queen?